Good day, everyone. My name is Rizal R. Cruz. I'm 25 years old. I live in San Isidro, Hagonoy, Bulacan, Philippines. I graduated at Bulacan State University last 2023. I'm a tourism management graduate. I also have experiences about customer service, credit card transactions, payments, because I used to work as a customer service associate before and a cashier also. I also work as a sales associate at Home Credit Philippines, where I used to finance clients. And I do believe that I have a potential to be part of your team because I do have a customer service experience. If you would hire me, this will be my first ever C job experiences. So I hope you would consider me to be part of your team in the future. A little background about me is that I decided not to pursue my course before, or my graduated course, because I have to take care of my son and I have to go home every day because he's too young. And now that I come to think of it, I need to prepare for his future. So that's why I decided that I would finally pursue my dream job. So I hope you would consider me, and this will help me and also my family in the future. Thank you so much po. Thank you.